Good morning, guys. It's me again, Delia Valentine. Okay, so today I'm gonna cook pork chop steak. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We have garlic, onions, celery, and then the pork chop. The pork chop I marinated with 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, uh, garlic, minced garlic, and then black pepper, and then 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. So first, we're gonna fry this one first. Mm. Okay, we're gonna fry that one first. Okay, guys, it's done. We're gonna take it out this one. Okay. Mm. The garlic. And the onions. And this one is served for the garnish. Ah. So we have 16 pieces or 15 pieces of this pork chop, guys. We're gonna return the marinated mixture. And then I'm gonna add water. Water. Okay. And then we're gonna simmer. Simmer first. And then we're gonna, it's already cooked. And now we're gonna add the slurry. By the way, I add 1 pork cubes earlier. It's not in the video. Okay. Then, oh, look at that one. Mm. Mm. Now, I'm going to taste, guys. I'm going to taste if the taste is good enough. It's good already. And now, I'm going to add the, mm, guys, look at the tune. It's super yummy na, guys. Okay. Oh, mm. And it's very tasty. Mapapa-analyze kayo, guys. If you are not going to control yourself, you can eat so much rice of this one, especially the so sweet. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, it's very tasty. I tested already. Okay. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dibruja to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts, guys. And then to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.